Andre Van Wyck, Langley, British Columbia. We've had the panel out for a year and 3 months or so. Well, I have 2 electric vehicles, and with the price of commodities always changing, I wasn't sure what the Tier 2 pricing will do. I go into Tier 2 quite regularly, so I wanted to offset my long-term electricity costs. I've been able to suppress my level 2 pricing, which has kept my electricity costs low into the foreseeable future. And I also feel that I'm less of a burden on the grid having 2 electric vehicles. Oh, very seamless, and they helped me every step of the way, dealing with the engineering, permitting, and it was a seamless one-day install, and I've got an app that shows me what's going on, so it's been everything I expected. Well, I used Riverside. I was going to use a different installer, but I wasn't sure if what I was being told in terms of production and costs would be accurate, so I actually contacted Riverside to get an assessment that I was hoping to prove or disprove what I was being told, and I was so impressed with the methodology and the diligence with which they approached the project that I thought I would rather use them, and I'm happy that I did. Been delighted with the product and the system, and I highly recommend it to anybody considering going in this direction.